Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Mark II Skoda Octavia VRS hatchback. This is on a 56 plate. Just turned 78,000 miles. And it's got one local owner from new. Most of the details and spec, etc., the advert will be on the car. This is really just to give you an idea of the condition. You know, a lot of our buyers are particularly local. So we've just done a cambelt and water pump on this. It's the second one it's had. As we say, it's been owned by a local owner. At 72 years old, he's decided to retire and treat himself to a new car. So all the wheels are in unmarked condition. It's got Goodyear tyres all round. It's got a full service history, it's got both sets of keys, and as with all of our cars, it's HPI clear and motor check clear with reports. It's a standard car, it's never been modified, never been remapped, still got the original stereo. And hopefully, as the video shows, it's a very, very, very clean car for the age. Normally when we get these Skodas in, the paint's all gone off the back of the spoiler, but this one's really good. As I say, he's in his 70s, so I don't really think anyone's been in the back of it. Bolsters are good on the seats. As with all our cars, we're supplied with a warranty. We can offer part exchange and finance. The mileage is at the moment 78241. Any questions or to arrange a viewing, just drop us an email or give us a ring. Thanks for watching.